Hey friends, so today we are learning about barn animals. So we are going to make a pig windsock, which you will be able to hang up outside like a wind chime on your deck or on your porch. So you're going to need at least 3 pieces of pink construction paper, a glue stick or squeeze glue, a writing utensil that's black. I'm using like a little fine point pen or marker. Some scissors. Can be any kind of scissors you need or have. And I'm going to use tape. Tape is kind of an option. I'll tell you in a minute why it's an option. So the first thing you're going to do is take your first piece of construction paper and you're going to twist it like this. So you can either glue this piece onto this piece or you can tape it, and I'm going to tape mine to make it a little bit easier so that it stays a little better. You can also staple it if you'd rather do that, if you don't have tape on hand or glue. And you might need to put 2 to 3 pieces of tape on it. I'm going to put about 3 pieces to hold it down. And so, okay, so it's going to look like this, kind of rounded. So just put that off to the side. The next part is you need kind of a medium-sized circle that you can either draw or just cut out, and then draw, then cut out, or you can just cut it out. And this is going to be the head of the pig. So like that. And then you'll cut it out. Okay, and then the next thing you'll do is you'll take it, and not on the side that you taped or glued, but on the opposite side, you will glue or tape the head to the top. And I'll try to glue this time. You don't need to glue the whole head. You'll just glue about a little tiny portion of it at the bottom of the circle. So that it looks kind of like this. And yeah, it doesn't look like a pig yet, but it will. So the next thing you're going to do is draw a smaller circle, and this is going to be the snout. So kind of draw it really small, maybe about half the size of the other one, maybe smaller. And then cut it out. Okay, so then the next thing you're going to want to do is you'll either tape it, I don't know if you can see that, or glue it kind of towards the bottom but still kind of in the middle. I don't know if you can see that in the camera. You'll glue it like that. I'll show you in a minute if you can't see it very well. You want to put glue on the whole circle, or tape if you're using tape. And I'm going to go ahead and draw the little nostrils on it. So you'll just draw two little kind of oval colored in black marks for the inside of the nostrils for the snout. And so it'll look, let me fix that. So it'll look something like this. I don't know if you can kind of see that in the camera very well. Maybe if I outline it, it might help. I'll outline it. It's kind of hard to see in the camera. This is not a step you would normally have to do. I mean, you can if you want, but I'm going to do this just so you can see it in the video a little bit easier. But I outlined it. That's kind of the snout. The next thing you're going to do is cut out two small triangles to be your ears for your pig. So it's going to look about like that. You want to cut two that are about the same size, close as you can get them. Or you can make them a little bigger if you'd like. Because this is your pig, so you can make it whatever size you'd like. Then you're going to glue the bottom flat side of the triangle, just the flat side, not the whole triangle. And then you're going to glue that on the top to be your ears. And you're going to do the same thing with the other one. So next it'll look like that. Then you're going to want to take your black writing utensil and make two eyes. It can be drawn however you'd like to draw them. And you'll draw them on the head, the face. So for mine, I just drew two dots and colored them in black, but you can draw them however you want. The next thing you're going to do is take your third piece of paper and you're going to cut about four thin strips of paper. Try to make them as close to the same size as you can. It's okay if they're not exactly the same size. Feel free to add more than four on there if you'd like after you see what they're for. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take one of your strips of paper and you're going to take it and you're going to fold it. So first you'll fold it like this, then you'll fold it backwards on the other side like that. Okay, so then you'll fold it the other way again, then you'll fold it back the other way, and you'll keep doing this till you get to the end of the strip. Alright, so then you're going to take it apart and it's going to look like this. And you'll do that with all of your strips of paper that you cut out. And remember, it can be actually more than four if you'd like, but I'm just going to do four for right now. Can we move that out of the way because I don't need that. That was just extra paper just in case. But you should only need 3 pieces of paper that are pink. Or if you don't want to use the color pink for your pig, if you want to make a different color pig, you can use a different color. Pigs also come in like tan, black, brown. I think some might come in white. Or if you just want a rainbow pig, you can make a rainbow pig or a different color pig if you want. It doesn't really matter. Whatever you want to do. Okay, so that is the next one. So then you're going to need this, your pig, and you're going to take your strip of paper and use glue or tape. And glue, so you're just going to want to put glue on just a little part of the one side of the strip, just a little bit, just a little dab. And then put it at the bottom and glue it on so that it looks like that. So then the next one, you're going to do the same thing, except you're going to spread it apart a little bit. You don't want it to be right next to it. If it doesn't stay on, then you can put tape over it instead if you need to, if it doesn't stay on very well with glue. So I'm going to put mine kind of on the back area. And then I'm going to take my next strip and do the same thing, except put it in a different area, spread out on the body of the pig. So I'll put this one on this side. If you need to, see what I'm doing, I'm using my fingers to kind of press it down so it sticks to the body better. So if you need to do that, then you can, of course, or use tape to hold it on there. So at the end, let me fix it a little bit, it'll look like this. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. So for it to be a windsock, so you can add a piece of string on the top part right here, on this side where the head is, so that you can hang it up on your porch, your deck, or in your house, and it'll be kind of like a windsock or a wind chime. And these things, I guess these are the legs, will blow in the wind. So we're going to talk real quick a little bit about pigs. So pigs, friends, make the sound oink. And pigs live on farms. Do you know what a farm is? A farm is where we grow our food. And a farm is where we have lots of animals live, such as pigs, cows, horses, ducks, and chickens. And pigs like to roll around in the dirt to keep cool. So friends, I hope you have fun making your pig, and I will see you soon. Bye, friends.